In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a group on WhatsApp Web. As technology continues to bring us closer together, joining group chats on platforms like WhatsApp is a common way to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. However, sometimes there comes a point when it's time to part ways with the group for various reasons. Maybe the conversations are no longer relevant to you, or perhaps you'd like to reduce the noise in your notifications. Whatever your reason might be, leaving a group on WhatsApp Web is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WhatsApp Web. Here, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you can easily do so by scanning the QR code displayed on the website with your smartphone's WhatsApp application. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, you'll see all your recent chats conveniently listed on the left-hand side. Now, let's locate the specific group chat you're interested in leaving. Scroll through your list of chats on the left until you find the group chat's name. Clicking on it will open the conversation in the main window to the right. Once you've opened the group chat, direct your attention to the top right corner of the chat window. You'll notice 3 vertically aligned dots, which serve as the menu for additional options related to your current chat. Click on these 3 dots. As you do, a drop-down menu will appear presenting a list of options. These options provide various actions you can take concerning the group chat, allowing you to customize your experience according to your needs. For the purpose of leaving the group, look for the option labeled Exit Group. Once you locate Exit Group, click on it. Confirm your decision in the prompt that appears. By doing this, you officially remove yourself from the group, ensuring you won't receive any more messages or updates from that particular chat. By leaving the group, you are adjusting your digital life to better suit your current needs and priorities, which is always a beneficial and proactive decision. Remember, if you change your mind later or wish to stay in touch with new conversations, joining a group again is just as easy. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps keep your WhatsApp experience tailored to your liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.